how to check Spotify Wrapped on your PC. So what you have to do is simply, actually, first of all, you don't need premium account or membership if you want to check. Because some people ask me, and I just wanted to mention that to put it out there. You don't need premium. So, and also, what you and go to your default browser, head over there in the search bar, please write Spotify, and click on download. Okay, please download Spotify, the latest version. Click here on current and click on download. So you need to download the latest Spotify um, update, latest version. And then once you've done that and you log in your account, this is what you should see. 2022 Wrapped is here, and that's pretty much all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.